Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create beautiful background art for your Squarespace 7.1 site using the Fluid Engine editor. By the end of this video, you'll know how to easily customize the look and feel of any section, whether you want to use Squarespace's built-in art or upload your own unique design. Let's jump right in and get creative. First up, we need to decide which section you want to add your background art to. This could be any part of your page. Maybe it's your homepage banner, a testimonials area, or the footer. Hover over the section until you see a little edit button pop up. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway into making design tweaks, and it's always the first step for customizing content with Fluid Engine. Remember, if you don't see the option right away, just move your mouse slowly along the edges of the section until it appears. Sometimes things can be a little hidden depending on your layout, so take your time. Now, once you're in the section editor, look for the background settings. On Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine, you'll see options like color, image, or art. Today, we're focusing on background art, so select that option. This is where things start to get fun. Background art adds personality and style, and can really make your site stand out compared to just a solid color. Click Art within the background panel. Squarespace gives you a curated collection of ready-to-go art pieces. These aren't just simple patterns. Many are professionally designed graphics that can instantly elevate your website's vibe. Browse through and pick something that suits your brand, your message, or simply makes you smile. If you're building a portfolio, maybe try something minimal and modern. For a blog, you might lean towards something more expressive or colorful. Don't rush this step. Take a moment to imagine how the art will look behind your content. But what if you don't see anything you love? No problem at all. You can always upload your own artwork. Maybe you have a brand logo, a custom illustration, or a photo you've edited just right. Just hit Upload and choose your file from your computer. I always recommend making sure your image is optimized for the web. A JPEG or PNG at the proper dimensions will keep your site speedy and crisp. If the upload takes a little while, don't worry. It's worth getting your site looking exactly the way you want. Once you've chosen or uploaded your background art, you'll see it previewed instantly in the section. Take a moment to check how your text and other elements appear over the art. If something looks too busy, you can always switch to another design or adjust your content layout. Squarespace's Fluid Engine makes it really easy to experiment, so don't be afraid to try a few different combinations until you love how it looks. When you're happy with your selection, just hit Save. That locks in your changes and makes the new background live on your site. Saving is essential, otherwise you could lose your work if you navigate away or close your browser, so always finish off by clicking Save. And that's it. You've just given your Squarespace section a custom artistic touch. Whether you went with a stylized graphic from Squarespace or uploaded something totally unique, enhancing your site with background art helps visitors connect with your brand and sets the mood for whatever you're sharing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more tips about Squarespace design. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides on making your website shine. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.